Hi guys, welcome to Roll Out Savings with Lori and Danielle. I'm Danielle and I'm here to bring you all your Saturday household deals. These deals are good at Dollar General this Saturday, November 11th. For this deal, you're going to buy 1 Charmin, 2 Charmin Essentials, and 3 Puffs and pay just $12.50. Now we have 2 Febreze Air, a Dawn Power Wash, 2 Airwick refills, and a Glad trash bag. And after all your coupons, you're going to pay just $8.45. Our next deal, you're going to get the Tide Pods and a Tide Liquid. And for this deal, you're going to pay $14.95 after your coupons. On this deal, you're going to get your Tide Liquid, your Unstoppables, your Downy Calm, that's the infusions, your Febreze, your Small Spaces, and a Febreze warmer. After all your coupons, you're going to pay just $11.85. Now we have your Power Mop. This is going to be $19 after your coupon and your 5 off 25. It's a good time to get one of these if you've been wanting one. Our next deal is on the Swiffer mop, and this one will be just $20 instead of $29 after your coupons. Make sure you check your accounts because there are some new coupons that came out today as well. So I know for some Gain deals that we have coming up, the coupons are different this time. On this deal, we have your Small Spaces, your Airwick oil and the warmer, and your Febreze warmer. And everything you saw there, you're going to use the coupons that you see listed here or on the previous screenshot with all the items, and you're going to pay $10.15. For this Gain deal, you're going to pay $8.20. You're going to get a liquid, the flings, the sheets, 2 Febreze. You're going to get your Mr. Clean liquid and a Gain Easy Squeeze. And again, that's going to be $8.20. For this Gain deal, you're going to get your Mr. Clean, your Gain liquid, your flings, your Febreze Small Spaces and Air, your Easy Squeeze, and a Colgate toothbrush. And your total after all your coupons is going to be just $6.55. This third deal for Gain, you're going to get the big pack of the Gain flings, your Febreze, your toothbrush there, and the Small Spaces. And after all your coupons, you're going to pay $6.50. It's a really good deal for that one. This Gain deal, you're going to get your large Gain, your flings, and your power wash and pay just $9.45 after your coupons. And this is a 5 off 25 plus the 5 off 20 on all these Gain deals. And our last Gain deal, you're going to get your large size Gain as you see there, 2 Gain scented Febreze, your Easy Squeeze, and an Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush, and you're going to pay just $7.65 on Saturday. We will have our cheat sheet coming out. It'll be in this post, and I will also make sure it's posted to YouTube as well. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you want to share our content, please share our links and not just our screenshots. We thank you so much for being here and watching our videos. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Telegram. We do have Instagram, and you can find us at rolloutsavings.com. And again, our coupon matchups are there, and we will have the cheat sheet for you as well. We'll be back with the next big deal. Bye, guys.